my job gives me the privilege. And we're down to the last dabba. Predictable. I like to be unpredictable. I like to be predictable. Jerry jokes and says कि मुझे kidnap करने का सबसे आसान तरीका ये है. Oh, listen, these notes are all gonna go in my little patty. Hashtag say favorite YouTuber. I am so excited for this video. Mystery boxes have become one of my favorite series to do on the channel because I've realized that it's fun to see how much you guys know me. If you want to be part of this series, I'm going to leave a form link down below in the description section. Go ahead and fill it out. We usually keep a budget of around 5,000 rupees, and obviously I pay for this mystery box. I do not expect any subscriber to pay for this mystery box. If you are getting messages on Telegram about this mystery box or about giveaways, I am literally non-stop blocking these users from my channel, but please also be smart at your end. I'm not on Telegram, I'm on Instagram and YouTube, and both my channel and profile are verified. Today's mystery box is from a lovely subscriber called Namita Arora. Namita is originally from Amritsar, however she's in Dehradun at the moment. She's living there. And before I go ahead and watch a video that she has sent to my team, I have a couple of disclaimers to give you. Number one, while I'm gonna watch the video, she's not comfortable with being on camera, and I absolutely respect her wishes, so you're just gonna hear the audio of it and I'm gonna watch the video. The second thing is that apparently there is an item that has not reached together with everything, but because I'm going to be traveling very soon and I believe that there are a couple of food items in here, I've been told, I wanted to film this in time just to make sure nothing in the box gets spoiled. And the third thing is that I already know one item in the box which we've received on email. She has very sweetly, from the 5,000 rupee budget, sent and selected a 100 rupee Baskin and Robbins ice cream gift voucher. So that's not going to be displayed here, but it's kind of like the first item I'm throwing out there that has been received in an email. There you go, you know, the little things where I feel like you guys really do know me, because Baskin Robbins Bavarian chocolate is literally my go-to, in the fact that you would remember that and throw that voucher in the list of things really makes me truly happy. Okay, now that I've got all these 3 disclaimers out of the way, let's go ahead and I will watch her video and you will listen to it.
Hey Anandi, I hope you're doing great. I'm so glad to create this mystery box for you. I can't even express you how happy I am to do this for you. So before I tell you anything else, I want to tell you that this mystery box has 6 categories, so I want you to open them order-wise, and one order has been delayed, so sorry for that because there was some inconvenience from the sender, and I hope you have received that too. So when you open this mystery box, please don't forget that one too, because that's very special and it belongs to category number 4 or 5. I forgot which one was that. So oof, I am sending you a video and you will see it. I'm so happy. Like, you know, the first day when I commented on a YouTube channel, I mean your one of the vlogs, and I got a like and a reply back, I was like, wow, I got a reply from her. It's so good. I have a screenshot of that. I have screenshots of every reply you've ever sent me. Thank you for being so real and authentic. Like, it helped me connect to you virtually. Like, it's been a year I've been watching you, but I feel like I've got an elder sister online. You know, through the social media, I have found you, and I really hope that I will meet you someday and give you a big hug. The video stopped, but just want to tell you that I love you and will always love you, and just keep smiling, be happy, bye and enjoy your mystery box. Take care.
That is so sweet. Can I just tell you that I love it when you guys call me like the, or tell me I have elder sister vibes, because I feel like this is like a sisterhood out there that I can really count on. So it just reinforces my vision about, for and with this community. I'm even more excited now because she's literally mentioned like categories and things like that. I will insert a clip somewhere in this video unboxing whatever item is coming later. I don't know what it is obviously, but let's get this started. I hope I get to meet like as many of you as possible in my lifetime. Truly. Really, 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 truly. Okay, now obviously I don't know the order of categories. I'm hoping they are numbered because she wants me to follow a certain order. This is number 1. Oh, it's numbered. Listen. Okay, first off, the gift wrapping. Secondly, you know I'm gonna hold on to these notes. By now you guys know that I'm a little note girl. 1 second. यार क्या effort डाला गया है. It says Punjabi Kuri traditional attire, and look at the artwork going on over here. Wow. Fulkari dupatta, love you from Punjab, Paranda, Punjabi Kuri, wear fam, verified. Look at the amount of detailing she's put into this note. This is insane. Category 1, be bold, be vibrant. This one has something from my hometown, Amritsar, Punjab. We Punjabi people love to style our traditional attire, Fulkari dupatta, with matching kameez and salwar. Fulkari is an embroidery technique that involves vibrant geometric patterns adorning the fabric. I want you to get this stitched as per your choice and style it along with the paranda. So a little outfit from scratch project for you. How sweet! Oh, it's a paranda. It's an actual like paranda. I don't want to open it because I feel like it'll get spoiled. I want to open it when I'm actually going to use it, because you bet I'm actually going to use it. Look at it. It's black and gold and it's got so many like latkans going on over here. इसको मैं खोलूंगी तो मैं इसको इतनी अच्छी तरह से wrap नहीं कर पाऊंगी. आ गई. Stop showing everyone your butt nibbles. This is a perfect Punjabi kick-off to this video. Oh wow. This is stunning. It is stunning. Look at the calm. This is so beautiful. The whole fabric is stitched with this, like has this calm on it, and then there is a yellow cut piece to go with it. Oh my goodness. It's a really, really nice like mango and orange combination. I'm definitely going to put this in my outfit from scratch. Can I put it in my outfit from scratch, considering like I didn't select it, or considering that it's I can. Kashmiri outfit के साथ तो हमने वही किया था. Let me know what you think of that down below in the comments. Let's go to, wait, there's another note over here. I wanna not miss any notes because that truly is the main highlight for me in general when I receive things. From our Wear Fam Queen. That is so sweet. Dear Anam Di, yaar dil jeet liya. Di, like it's written with such like, oh my god, this font only is so elegant. Hey Glam Queen. Oh wow, thank you. I'm delighted to put together this mystery box for you. Ever since I learned about creating it, I've been planning and pondering what to include, even losing sleep over it. When you began this series, I was thrilled, already envisioning what I could add if I get a chance to make one for you. Through this box, I want to showcase you my love, because ever since I started watching your vlogs, I felt like I've virtually found an older sister. Even though we haven't met, I feel deeply connected to you through the experiences and life insights you share. Thank you for being so real and raw. Your authenticity and candor are incredibly inspiring to me. Moreover, one thing that attracts me about you the most is that you are a female entrepreneur who motivates me to strive harder for my own dreams. Thank you. I admire your dedication and productivity. Hats off to you, girl. Words fall short to express how much I appreciate you. You are hardworking, humble, and a dream achiever. Family-oriented, caring friend, and an amazing partner for Jerry, sir. I hope to meet you in person someday and give you a big hug. I hope the same, I swear. I wish I get to meet each and every one of you. Lastly, I wish you all the happiness in life. Keep smiling, it suits you. Sending you good jujus. Love you, favorite. Namita from Wear Fam. Listen, first off, the words, the letter, the note. I appreciate the effort, the time that has gone into this. From like thinking about it, planning it, putting it together. Just because any content creator is paying for their like mystery box doesn't mean like, oh, but I paid for it. No, dude. Like the subscribers that invest the time and energy and effort in getting to know you, in making the effort for this, in putting that thought, it's that counts the most, and it's irreplaceable. The love is irreplaceable. Also, this girl is so creative. She's basically taken a black chart paper and this is burnt edges. Do you see? Wow, like this is some serious creativity. I'm like each one of you who has ever sent me a mystery box is super creative, honestly. Okay, getting back into the box. यहाँ पे इतने अच्छे से by the way pack कर रखा है निमिता ने. There's so much padding in there, like the puttas, to make sure कि कोई चीज़ टूट ना जाए or whatever. यहाँ पे है हमारा box number 2. There's little numbering going on over here. And she's got a picture of chai. Oh, it is thodi chai ho jaye. Wait, I'll show you the note again in case you didn't catch it like me. Thodi chai ho jaye. That is so cool. Again, she's literally done hashtag yummy food snacks, barwa samosa, desi ghee, mathi, gossip time evenings, effort. Category 2, tea time and snacks. I know how much you love tea, adrak wali. So here's sending you some famous snacks from Punjab that we usually like having with our evening tea time and gossip sessions with family. Mathi or samosa plus tea equals love, she says. Hope you like it. Do try it. Ma'am, aap hatogi, please. Kya kar rahi ho? Literally stealing focus from me because she's come and I'm out of focus. This Nibbles now wants to be in focus all the time. Oh, I love these. I have had these and I have really liked these. Are these the mattis? Are these called mattis? I have had these. I just don't remember what they're called. Nibbles, you are really taking over this video. This is not about you. This is about Namita and samosas. Aaj sham ka snacks sorted. Completely sorted. If she comes again, I'm very sorry to those of you who get annoyed by her, and you're welcome to those of you who like her in the things. Because I see different types of comments down below. Darwaze bhi koi hai, BRB. Box number 3, it says the aesthetics golden era. Wait, I'll show you the note. This is what it looks like. Let's see what she's done inside. My god, this girl is so creative. Home decor plus kitchen utensils. I know how much you love things to be in the golden color. That's so true. So the moment I saw these golden spoons in vase, I had to order it for you. Stop it. For real. Home things. This is true adulting wala love on things. Nibbles is really like enjoying with those ribbons. Uski bhi party ho rahi hai. Oh, so cute. These are like those stirrer kind of spoons. Perfect. Namita has thought about like so many different things in my life. Look at this. So cute. The perfect stirrers to have. Thank you. Heart shaped, flower shaped. Very cute. Okay, this is really pretty. Really pretty. It's the perfect thing to put a tea light candle in. This is so aesthetic. So aesthetic. You know what? I have a corner of my house where I've basically been storing things for the house that I've never used, and now I'm at that point where, because you know we've been looking for a new house since last year, now I'm at that point where I'm just collecting things in that corner कि जब हम shift करेंगे ये हम सब वहाँ पे डालेंगे. So I think ये उस corner में जाके बैठने वाला है. We're not selling this house, we're just looking for another house because we need more space. I really do need more space. So this is going to go into new house collection. Okay, number 4 पे है ना हम? Yeah, I hope so. I hope I'm not going out of order. She wanted me to follow the order. We've got a note that says turn up the glam, and on the inside here's what we've got. Sending in love, good jujus, girly vibes, wear fam, beauty things, jewelry to style, glam queen, Anamsi, so sweet. Beauty essentials and jewelry just for you. I know how much we girls love to experiment new things in the market. This package includes some items that I want you to try, like the heatless curling rods. I already have that. I literally ordered it a couple of weeks ago. More for me. It's fine, don't worry. More for me. I'm happy to have it. Makeup brush cleaner. I hope you like the rest of the things also. Let's open this up. मेरी notes इधर उधर nibbles नहीं कर दी हैं. Start with the smallest one in this particular list and work our way up size wise. Okay, we have a pill box. The timing of this could not be more amazing because I'm leaving for a trip literally in 48 hours from now, and this will be perfect for me to throw in the bag. So this timing is godsend. Then we've got, oh, you can never have too many. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful. I have butterfly claw clips, but this is like, it's so nice and full and feels nice and not like plasticky. Thank you. That is so me. I love it. And I love butterflies. Butterflies and I have had a special connection since I was in school. Yeah. मैंने खुद के ही हाथ पे कटर डाल दिया. We have a mirror over here. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay, literally this last part is not coming off, but here we go. We have a silver mirror over here. The magnification is a little bit more on one side. नीचे का नहीं निकल रहा है यार. I'll take it out and I'm putting it in the bathroom because this is gonna go in the bathroom for sure. Oh my god, so beautiful. Wait, I'm being ruthless with just tearing up all the wrapping and bubble wrap and all that, huh? I'm excited. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Look at this. It's like a row of like diamonds, like a tennis bracelet but a necklace. Nibbles! So we have this necklace over here and we have these lovely earrings over here. I have too many things around me and I'm in the middle of packing things in the house right now, so I'm not going to open this. धूल काफ़ी है, साफ सफाई बाकी है, ongoing process है ये मेरे life का. So I'm going to put this on the side. And the last one for this category. What's that? Oh, these are, oh, I haven't tried these. Oh, I'm so happy. She got me different type of heatless curl noodles. The ones I got are those satin ones, and those I've only tried once or twice and haven't really mastered it yet, clearly. But these are really nice. Should I leave them in my hair tonight? Okay, I'm gonna leave. Nibbles. I'm gonna try these in my hair tonight. I'm really sorry about this distracting me. This masti khor. We have the last couple of categories. I think we have 7 categories in all, and I'm on 5 now. Ma'am, you're gonna literally take all my camera ka focus, and then people are gonna wonder why my video is out of focus. This is why my video is out of focus. We've got number 5, for the people you love. Where fam loves them too. Oh, that is so sweet. And the inside has this. I'm gonna let you pause and read it if you'd like to. They're basically chocolates for Romaisa. Oh my god. Pillow for Jerry sir. Say him hi from my side. Where fam? Collar for Nibbles. Nibbles is a gift in here for you. The naughty cat who gives a special appearance in vlogs with her cute butt, which is literally taking over this video, Namita. Replace the pillow. I also am in the opinion of replace the pillow. The vlog fam knows what I'm talking about, what we're talking about. Let's go ahead and open. She's looking at it. You're not going to wear a collar. We've tried so many times. We've tried so many times to put a collar on her. बचपन से हम इसकी कोशिश करते आ रहे हैं. She's 7 years old now, but ma'am takes it off or throws a shit fit, and then we have to take it off. Now come give your appearance on cam. Ab nahi aana. Say thank you. To say thank you, come. No. Okay. Ma'am is not interested anymore because I moved her away, but this is what it looks like. I don't know if she will wear it. We will try. We will try. We would like a collar on her personally. Now she's smelling it off cam. She doesn't want to come on cam now because she's like, तुमने मुझे हटाया. Come. Nibs. What's this? What's this? She's damn moody, you guys. ले लो मेरा focus तुम ही आके unbox कर दो ना हर चीज को. We've got chocolates here, and she had written that the chocolates were for Rumaisa, so Rumaisa is going to be thrilled when she gets this. Thank you, it's so thoughtful of you. She's going to be thrilled when she gets these chocolates. She's always, always, always happy to receive chocolates, so thank you. And this, for sure, is the pillow you mentioned in your note. I don't need to play the guessing game. Here's hoping Jerry lets me take that pillow away because it looks so bad. My mom scolds me every single time it appears, but she's Not scolding him, she's scolding me. And he doesn't let anybody change it. He like has picked a fight with me over it. Oh, it's not just any pillow. It says Anamsi. This is so cute. This is absolutely adorable. I'm gonna try to record Jerry's reaction when I show him this. I will insert that clip in this video. Jerry,
Yes.
I have something to show you unless you've already seen it.
Second Anam video.
No! I'm gonna throw that one and put this.
No.
Yes. That
This
one's
says
gonna get.
Anam C.
Yeah.
That says only
No,
Anam.
no. So, Jerry, that looks ugly.
No.
Jerry, look at the state. 1 second. Can I give you context?
No.
There is a 1 second. There is a lovely subscriber called Namita. Say thank you to her.
Thank you.
Who sent that pillow?
Thank you.
It's part of a mystery box.
Thank you.
This one is getting thrown.
No.
Jerry.
No.
Jerry.
No.
Jerry, imagine even my
No.
subscribers think that the pillow needs to
No.
be thrown.
Your subscribers don't know anything.
Oh, shut up.
Move.
Jerry.
No. Means no.
Don't try to give me all this angry young man bullshit. You're a little marshmallow. Stop it. Jerry, just shh.
Why is the window open? This thing is on.
Don't try to distract me. Stop it. He's tickling me. Guys, he's tickling me. Jerry, okay, take it now. I'm going to throw it when you're at work. You won't even know. You won't even know, buddy.
I will take this to work every day.
Okay.
I will take this to Rishikesh.
Yeah, okay, let's see. You think I can't get rid of a pillow? Okay. Now that you have a replacement, you can't even get mad at me. I knew you would get mad at me for that.
This is the perfect size for me. The pillow. It cradles my neck.
उस वाले पिलो को मैं ऐसे आधे में काट दूं क्या? So what you want to complain to Namita कि आपने गलत साइज का पिलो भेजा
I
है?
love this.
हाँ.
2 pillows.
Buddy, that one's going down.
You can buddy all you want. That's not gonna do.
Okay, our next box is box number 6. It says pamper yourself, self-care day. This is the image that we have going on the front, and this is what we have on the inside. Hashtag say favorite YouTuber. That is so sweet. Honestly, like, you have no idea what it means to me when you say I'm your favorite YouTuber. I can't ruin my makeup because I have an event to go to after this, so I'm not gonna cry. Kaftan. A novel to read while you get bored, a diffuser, a heating pad for period pain relief. Oh my god. Where fam is there for you always, sending you good jujus. Take care. Listen, these notes are all gonna go in my little peti. One day I'll show you all the peti. Leave a comment and tell me if you'd want to see one of my petis. I have multiple. कुछ ऊपर मैंने store कर दिए. एक हमेशा नीचे handy रहता है चीजें डालने के लिए. That was Nibbles running across. There's no ghost in my house. She's just back to her zoomies. So that was her moving the camera. No! I'm trying to be off sugar and now I'm not gonna be able to be off sugar. You sent me Ferrero's, my favorite chocolates. My favorite chocolates, thank you. My literal favorite chocolates. Jerry jokes and says कि मुझे kidnap करने का सबसे आसान तरीका ये है, Ferrero's डालते रहो और मैं पीछे चली आऊंगी. He literally jokes and says that to me कि give her one, she'll eat it, then give one more and I'll keep putting them in my mouth and eating them and follow anybody anywhere without realizing. This one time, random story about Ferrero's, we were sitting in bed and he gave me one and we were watching something, so I took it and I ate it and he gave me another. Apparently he gave me quite a few. By the end of it, without realizing, because every time he passed me one, I'd just take it and eat it. I had eaten about 12 or 14 Ferrero's. And he was like, I just wanted to see how many you would have till you would like say no or stop or... And then finally he was like, do you know how many you've had? She has sent me the Sirona period pain relief. I've heard good things about this patch. I don't think I've tried this one as yet. I'll leave a link into this for you guys down below because I know 2-3 friends of mine who've said good things about this, but ये वाला मैंने try नहीं किया है अब तक. मैंने कौन सा वाला try किया मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है. But I've heard good things about this one. Okay, what have we got here? It's a kaftan! Oh, it's a kaftan top. How cute. You guys know me so well. Like, it is... Am I that easy to read? Like, I like that if I'm that easy to read, because then that means that you really like know me. You know, some people who are like, I'm not predictable, I like to be unpredictable, I like to be predictable. मैं ऐसी हूँ, और अगर आप जानते हो कि मैं कैसी हूँ, मेरी पसंद नापसंद, I'm happy. Like, I like that safe, even in relationships, when sometimes my friends, when we were like younger, all of us were single, my friends would be like, don't you enjoy the unpredictability, the butterflies in your stomach? And I'm like, I don't think I'm looking for butterflies in my stomach. I'm looking for someone that keeps me calm, makes me feel safe. I'm not looking for someone that makes me feel butterflies in my stomach all the time. That's nice in the start, but it's not sustainable long term. And I like predictability. I like that you know what I will like. I like that you know what I may not like. And so I really appreciate that you guys have literally picked up on who and how I am for all these things. What is this? Don't believe everything you think. Why you're thinking is the beginning and end of suffering. Wow. This is my kind of book. This is truly my kind of book. I read a lot of business, a lot of some fiction also, of course, and a lot of self-help. So this is, you have cracked me open like a walnut, truly. Oh shit, I was about to pick up this other one that said 6, but I think I missed a box down below that was marked number 4. I'm so sorry, Namita, I ruined the order. I know you wanted me to go in the order. We have, oh cute, we have a spinny brush cleaner over here. Not a bad product for me to try out and do a shorts on, no, to see how gimmicky or how efficient it is. Thank you for this. This is quite on point for someone like me. Again, you guys know me so well. So well. And we're down to the last dabba of this huge, very well planned, well thought out, the effort, the time. Wow, this smells really nice. It smells so nice. It is a candle aroma oil diffuser. Thank you so much for this. This is already smelling really nice. I'm not going to open it up, but I can see an oil, I can see a tea light, and of course the diffuser on the inside. Thank you. Namita, you have knocked it out of the park with this one. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. There is a reason why I enjoy reading, liking, hearting, and responding to each and every one of your comments. It's because it helps me connect to you as well. You know, sometimes when I bump into you guys IRL, you're like, oh my god, so excited to meet me, and my day is made. And I'm like, wait, my day is made. I'm so excited to meet you, because you have to realize you guys meet me often virtually, but when I get to meet you, I'm like, I'm talking to real people on the internet. I'm not just, you know, it's not just numbers. Each number, each handle, each username is a real person. And my job gives me the privilege and the opportunity and the good fortune to be part of your lives, even in the smallest of ways. And that just means a lot to me. I'm grateful for my job every single day. I'm grateful for you guys. You guys are the best part of my job. Literally, my community over here is the best part of my job. I appreciate you so much, Namita. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for this. Thank you. That's all I can say. There's really, and thank you also. कभी-कभी छोटा sound करता है and repeated sound करता है, but सच्ची like absolutely दिल से thank you. If you want to be part of this series, you know what to do. Fill that form down below. The next box is going to be extra special because it's going to be a birthday edition. June is my birthday, and I'm really looking forward to that particular mystery box. So yeah, that's all for this video. Leaving you with just a heart full of gratitude and love. I will see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye. Okay, the package is here. It has my address over here, which is why I had to go ahead and open it off cam anyway. I did not see what's inside except this thing that says highlight. Literally 12 volts and 1.5 amps. So I'm a little bit confused. I'm gonna assume it's something electronic. That was a charger. Thermocol wrapping. Okay, let's see what's inside. I need to go get my cutter. One sec. I'm curious. Stop it! Oh my god, this is so cute! Wait, I need to show you. Sorry, I'm freaking out. It looks like it is a verified logo light. Oh my god! This is absolutely adorable. This is what it looks like from the other side. This is absolutely adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put it on and insert a clip over here of what it looks like. This is so sweet, and this is such a lovely idea for you to go ahead and do this. Oh my god. Thank you. This is so sweet and very on brand, literally, might I say.